To solve for the product of this function, we again substitute the value of your f of x, which is equals to 4x plus 12, and your g of x is equals to x minus 9 all over 3 plus x. Then, since the operation is multiplication, we just simply multiply the two terms. So let's multiply. Pero bago tayo mag-multiply, I have first to rewrite the expressions into this form. So ito pong expression or ito pong given equation ay i-rewrite ko lamang po into this form as 1. Then, the purpose of that ay pwede ko pong ma-factor yung isa sa kanilang term. This is our first term. This is our second term. I have factored out 4x plus 12 into 4 times x plus 3. And napansin natin na naging magkaparehas po sila ng kanilang denominator. Is there magkaparehas po ba yung x plus 3 plus 3 plus 6? Yes po. Kasi parehas naman po silang positive. Kung mapapansin natin, yung 3 plus x, kung ayusin po natin yan, since yung x ay mapupunta dito sa kabila, without changing the sign, it's tatanda na positive yung x natin. Eh, yung print din naman po is also positive, and therefore, pwede po natin ito i-rewrite in this form as x plus 3, itong equation na to. And thus, tama po yung ating magiging cancellation. So, cancel out natin yan since ang equivalent is the same. So, yung natira, just write down. That's equals to 4 at saka x minus 9. Di na natin kailan i-write po yun kasi naka-factored form na rin po. So, that's your final answer. Now, to find for the quotient of this given function, simply rewrite again your f of x and g of x. Pero this is your f of x and this is your g of x. Pero bago tayo mag-solve, we have first to find for the inverse or for the reciprocal of our divisor. Remember that this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So yung divisor ay babalik rin natin. You have to change their positions. Yung 3 plus x ay napunta sa taas. So nilipat natin sa taas, pinagpalit natin ng pwesto. Yung 9 minus x naman, or x minus 9 nalipat sa baba. So yun po yung step 1 sa division of fractions or rational expressions. After natin na magawa po yun, yung kanyang operation, instead na division, magiging multiplication na po sila. Kaya multiplication na po magiging operation natin. Then let's multiply. And to solve for that, we need to multiply this. Then that's equals to 3. 4x times 3, that's equals to 12x. Let's multiply 4x times 6, that's equals to 4x squared. And multiply positive 12 times 3, that's equals to 36. And multiply 12 times x, that's equals to 12x. Kukopihin lang natin, you just copy your denominator. Next is to combine your terms, yung like terms. Since wala naman pong equivalent equal term yung 4x, just drop it down. Then combine natin yung 12x at saka 12x. The same sign, just add the two numbers or terms. So that's equals to 24x. Drop 36. Then your denominator must be copied. After that, actually that is now your answer. Pero kung si teacher po demanding, you can factor out this. So we can still factor your answer, and your final answer is equal to factor form is x plus 3 and 4x plus 12 all over x minus 9. Let's check yung tama. You have your x times 4x, that's equals to 4x squared. You have your 3 times 12, that's equals to 36. Tayo. Then we have 4, we have here 4 times, or x times 12 rather, that's equals to 12x. Lagay ko lang dito. This is how do we find the middle term. Then we have 3 times 4x, that's also equals to 12x. And if we combine this by adding, that's equals to 24. Therefore, our factor is right. Have a nice day.